So the first step is switching off what we call the sympathetic branch of the nervous system. I mentioned that before. If we can't switch off that sympathetic branch of the nervous system, then we've got adrenaline and cortisol pumping through our body. And that's taking all of the energy away from our brain and from our organs and putting it into our limbs so that we can fight or so that we can run. And switching on the parasympathetic nervous system is so important to cool off these other systems, to cool off this reptilian brain and all of the natural biological processes, which in psychology and in neuroscience we call the 4Fs. And the first one we're going to start with is feeding. One of the 4Fs is feeding. This part of the brain is responsible for trying to make sure that we stay alive and getting enough sustenance. So looking for that feeding. The next level is fighting. We've all heard of the fight-flight response. This is the fight part of the fight-flight response. We also have the flight response or the fleeing response, which is running away. And then the fourth one, can you guess, is fornicating. And in extreme cases can be a freeze response as well. We can also get that freeze response in our body where we switch off and pretend to be dead. And many people do that. They'll watch Netflix, they won't answer their phone, they won't go to their work, they will freeze in life because they feel that that's safer, because the stress and the fear that's been coming into them has made them feel like they need to do that.